Okay, so an experiment consists of first rolling a die and then tossing a coin. How many elements are in the sample space? Let A be the event that either 3 or 4 is rolled first, followed by landing a head. Okay, what will be helpful on this one is just to write out all the things that can happen. Okay, so you're rolling a die. Die has 6 sides, right? You know what I mean by a die? It's a cube. I'm gonna try to draw one, which is always a little scary. Oh, see, I'm already off to a bad start. I can't draw a square very well. Maybe that's better. All right, good. My little tool helped me. So that's a die, right? It's a cube. It has 6 sides. So this is what we mean by a die. It has 6 sides, 1 through 6. Okay, you're rolling a die, and then you're going to toss a coin. So what are all the different things that can happen? Well, here's what, and that's what we call, by the way, the sample space. It's all the things that can happen. And so, what is the sample space? Well, you can get a 1. You can get a 1 followed by a heads, or a 1 followed by a tail. Or you can get a 2 and a head, or a 2 and a tail, or a 3 and a head, or a 3 and a tail, right? Because you're rolling the die first, then flipping the coin. Or you could get a 4 and a head, or a 4 followed by, it's a 4, sorry, 4 followed by a tail. Or you could get a 5 followed by a head, or a 5 followed by a tail, or a 6 followed by a head, or a 6 followed by a tail. There we go. How many things in the sample space? 12 things, huh? Because we have the 6 different numbers and they can each go with heads or tails. So it's 6 times 2, 12 things can happen. All right, now let A be, so that's what they want there. How many elements in the sample space? 12. Let A be the event that either a 3 or 4 is rolled first, followed by a head. So let's just circle those. 3 or 4 first, followed by a head. So that'd be here and there, right? It's just those 2. It's going to be 2 out of 12. And then we got to divide that in the calculator, which comes out 0.1. It's 6666 forever. They might round it to 0.17, or if they round to 3 places, it's 0.1. Oh, it says 2 decimals. Yeah, I see it now. It does say 2 decimals right there, 2 decimals. So yeah, 0.17. Does that make sense, right? It's a 3 or 4, so 3 or 4 followed by a head, followed by a head. So that's 2 out of the total. Remember, probability always has the total on the bottom, number we want on the top, and the total on the bottom. And divide that in your calculator. And so there we go. Can I help? Are there other versions of the question that I can help you with on number 4? Good. We all getting ours, or think we are anyway. Feel good about ours?